Hey everyone, welcome back. So in this video, we're going to talk about YooFibre Supplement, whether it's legit or just another scam. Quick disclaimer before we begin, everything in this video is based on publicly available information and personal opinion. When you visit YooFibre.com, you're looking at a domain that Scam Advisor rates as having an average to good trust score. Their algorithm checks hosting country, SSL certificates, online reviews, and more, and they concluded the site is likely legit and reliable. But here's where it gets weird. There is no indication that YooFibre is a supplement. The domain belongs to a UK broadband internet provider, not a nutrition or wellness brand. That means anyone claiming YooFibre is a dietary supplement is either mistaken or attempting to piggyback off a legitimate site's reputation to make a scam appear credible. Now, YooFibre is not a supplement company. The trusted YooFibre.com domain is unrelated to health products entirely. If someone is promoting a YooFibre supplement as a major red flag, be cautious. It could be an attempt to mislead consumers using a legitimate domain's name. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.